After visiting some beautiful beaches of Quang Binh province in the morning of the 7th day of my motorbike road trip, I continue on my way to eventually reach Dong-Hoi city. So not too far away from the place where the river flows into the sea, there is this nice little temple called Chua Kwanam. This is a place of worship for the fishermen that go into the sea. And the beautiful beach. Around. Xin chào. Another beautiful place, a gem of a place. Apparently I was mistaken. Just next to it there is even a bigger chua, which is, this one is Chua Kwanam. Apparently this one is the nicer ones and a lot bigger. The beach is still over there. And then I resumed my ride on my way south through the beautiful villages, the lush green rice fields, observing the beautiful people of Vietnam as they go on with their daily work. It looks like I got to the richer part of the village, more affluent part. The road is paved, big houses, still a village though, but seems like it's a little bit better off. So according to the map, there is a huge area of sand dunes just here next to the beach, and that'd be interesting to take a look. Well, that's as far as the motorbike will go. There's no way to cross this, but I will go on foot from here on. It keeps on going and going and going. And I kept on heading south in the direction of Dong-Hoi. The whole area is being developed with new resorts being built everywhere along the shore. Seems like a lot more development will be going on soon. The whole area is surrounded, and behind it you see they're clearing the land. Or already building. So it seems like this whole road is a luxurious area full of hotels and resorts, and whatever is not taken will be taken from the sea. Another hotel. They got a pretty nice stretch of hotels and nice beach here. Yeah, so this is actually the beaches of Dong-Hoi, because if I keep on going on this road, I just get to Dong-Hoi, which is just around the corner. Last beaches before Dong-Hoi, after the last river that I crossed, the last one before Dong-Hoi, and they have some pretty nice neighborhoods here on the sand dunes. And those nice neighborhoods have a really nice beach. Probably more organized beach of Dong-Hoi, not the resort, but the public beach. And the river over there. Of course, everything being built, whatever hasn't been taken yet. Okay, now I just have to go and find a place to stay here and decide what to do. Yes, I'm here at Dong-Hoi station. I wanted to send my motorbike with me on the train, but they say a week for the motorbike to arrive, because they send only one motorbike on the train, so I'll get it today and the motorbike will get it in a week. And I'm trying to think, maybe if I go to Dong-Hoi I have to wait less. I don't understand. One motorbike every day they send from here only, and my experience before was that I send a motorbike and it comes the same day with me, so I don't know what happens now. Okay, so I'm at Dong-Hoi, which is Dong-Hoi's train station. What's the story with Dong-Hoi? From the whole trip that I've made, Dong-Hoi is the only place where I've been to before. And that was about 4.5 years ago, when I took the train and got to Dong-Hoi, got off, took my motorbike and drove directly from here, without even going to Dong-Hoi to visit the city. I went directly to Phon Nha and started my big trip all the way down to Cambodia, Phu Quoc, and way back up to Da Nang and back to Hanoi. Back then I was under the notion that there is nothing in between Tam Quoc, Quang Binh and Dong-Hoi. Yes, that's what people told me. I was wrong. And now I made up for it. Of course, it's nicer down south between and Dong-Hoi, but sure are things to see, just like I proved right now. And now I am thinking of going back home, except motorbike would take a week to arrive, because they sent only one motorbike at the end. They have like 7 motorbikes waiting in line. There was no way I could pay them off to get me first in line. I thought I would be able to, but I wouldn't take any bribes. And Yeah, so I'm thinking what to do now. Waiting for them to connect with Dong-Hoi. Maybe there they have less motorbikes, and then I'll continue on my trip a little bit more to Dong-Hoi, maybe 2 days more. If not, I will leave here today and go back to Hanoi, and we'll see what I do. So as you can see, I'm still in Dong-Hoi. Got a really nice hotel room here. Why did I stay? Because I got an answer from the receptionist at the train station, and she said that in Dong-Hoi they have only one motorbike that is being sent off to Hanoi tomorrow. So my chances are that if I go to Dong-Hoi and get there probably in a day or two, my motorbike will be sent in a day or two, just instead of a week, which is ridiculous. Therefore, I will continue traveling, that's not a bad thing. And day after tomorrow, probably I'll make it to Dong-Hoi, which is 110 kilometers from here. And I'll see how I go from there. Maybe I'll even make it to Hue. Good night. In the next video, I explore a little of Dong-Hoi in the afternoon and the morning after, before I leave it on my way to Dong-Hoi for another day full of adventures. If you liked my videos so far and you're interested to know what's gonna happen next on my trip, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you again in the next video.